Get us some mint. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a rainy day, but Blackfin Gardeners, how we doing? Alright, we're about to take you on a journey. We're gonna make some antioxidant tea, some lemon balm tea. Oh no, sorry, lemongrass. So we're gonna do lemongrass, and we're gonna show you how we're gonna do it. It's not completely my recipe, so I can't take any credit for that, but it is an idea that sparked in my head, and I went online to kind of see what else everybody else is doing. So let's show you what I'm doing. Alright, so first I'm gonna get the cutting board. Alright, so for this one, we're gonna do 2 lemons. Right? Put those there. And now get the lemon balm, which if you watched our previous video, either the one before this one or the 2 before this, whichever one, just watch all of our videos, right?
Yay!
So we were actually making these homemade lemongrass sticks, and they're basically like tea sticks. So I'm going to find the thickest one in here, like this one, right? Because it's so big. So put that here. All right. And those came straight out of the garden, Blackfin Gardeners. How long were we growing that one?
I put that in the spring.
In the spring? Okay.
Yeah, when the spring started.
Oh, that was pretty fast.
I planted it.
Yeah, so that's even better for most people.
Yeah.
All
Rallo,
right.
get out.
And okay.
What you looking for? Oh, ginger.
A little bit of ginger, and this is actually
From the garden.
Yep.
This also what?
Look at Bella. Look at Bella.
Can't talk it
What
out.
you singing, girl? All right, so yeah, so we got some old ginger that we was using, and so I'm gonna put a few hands in here. Let's see. I'll go with that.
This
Now-
from the garden back in 2025.
Yep. Now I will say, you don't have to do it frozen. If it was my choice, we would be using fresh ginger, but we actually don't have any fresh ginger this year. We'll be just now planting some, and so luckily I did have some frozen, and so we're just gonna use that. Okay. All right, and now the controversial ingredients. We're going to do. We're going to do black pepper. Alright, and we have unfiltered raw organic honey. And this one's a little bit different. This is actually my first time seeing this. Normally I'll still use just regular honey, local honey. But this one is almost like a... It's like
peanut
paste.
butter.
Yeah, it's pretty thick. Right?
But it's so good.
So we're going to use that.
It melts in the hot water. Like you got hot tea, it just melts.
And we have turmeric.
Now look at my pantry.
Some raw cane sugar.
I'm working on organizing my pantry too. Side note. Okay.
Okay. Get a good knife.
The turmeric signed and wiped off.
I knew that.
I know.
Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and take these stickers off. This one doesn't have a sticker.
Bella, you left your couch in the middle of the floor. And I think Rallo needs to go outside. You need to go outside, buddy? Come on. He definitely did. He done pulled out the pots that we're cooking everything in.
Yeah, I would probably use a bigger pot, but I don't know where.
We just made chili in it.
Oh,
I got you talking about the bigger. You got the stainless steel in the pantry.
Oh.
It's at the bottom rack. Bottom on the floor.
Yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit bigger. So what I'm gonna do here is slide this over. Go ahead and rinse this out. Alright. Fill this up. At least 3/4 of the way. Alright, and as you see, I filled it up about 3/4 of the way. Maybe too much, maybe too less. Who cares, because I can always take away. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring this to a boil. Alright, and while we wait on that, like I said, I got all my ingredients over here. And so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off the beads. Get all that nasty stuff off from the store, because these aren't homegrown lemons. Alright, now this is going to go straight in. I'm not, going to chop this up or anything. It's going to go straight in just like that. Same with the ginger, but I may go ahead and cut it up just a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to start with this one, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut the end off. Just like that. And then I'm going to cut it in half. Just like that. And then I'm going to just do some individual slices. What I'm going to do here is cut this one in half. And this one's going to go in the actual drink later. So I'm going to put this one off to the side here. But all of this is going to bake in the pot. And here, I'm going to let these boil down first, for, like I said, because they are still frozen. Let's get rid of these. Take a look. We got it to a boil, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it down. Yeah, right there. And what I'm going to do, like I said, put in our lemon slices.
Ooh. Look at that, look at that.
Put in our ginger. And our lemongrass. Just stuff that in there just like that.
It smells so good.
Yeah.
So lemony.
Alright, and add just a little bit of pepper. And a little bit of turmeric. Let this steep for about 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yeah. And I'll tell you the thing about the ginger is, oh, it's got a little rhizome. Well, we got them. We froze them fresh though, so it probably still did have a rhizome on it. But the one thing I'm gonna come back and do is, since they were frozen, I may cut these in half or poke them with a fork, which is very easy once it boils down. Other than that, everything else is pretty good. Like I said, the lemongrass will be fine in there, and then you got all the lemons in there. So, I guess what you could call this is an enhanced lemonade.
Enhanced lemonade.
Antioxidant lemonade, or I don't know what the name is for it. I didn't do that much research. The lemongrass, lemons, and ginger was already my idea, but when I looked online, people were adding turmeric and black pepper, so I think it was a good addition. So roughly about 15 minutes has gone by. As you see, the color is phenomenal.
It's beautiful.
It has soaked in a lot of the good old nutrients, and you see, yeah.
Beautiful, y'all. Smells amazing.
Okay. So, while that happens, we're gonna go over here. Hold on. Sorry, princess. Here you go. There you go.
See you later.
And now she's happy. Alright, so with this, we're going to have to improvise. We don't have enough raw cane sugar, but we're going to use what we have, right? Please don't ask me for a measurement. I have no idea. I did it to taste last time.
Pour to taste.
That's all we have. That's like a tablespoon, which is not enough. So don't get excited. Like I said, you're basically making lemonade or tea. So, and also the unfiltered raw honey.
Put it on top of the cutting board.
Let me get another spoon here. I'm gonna use Bella's trusty dusty silicone spoon.
Trusty dusty.
Just to break tension on this. Cool. Yeah. I'm gonna do one more scoop of it. Alright. So I would say that's like
2 heaping scoops.
Yeah, 2 heaping scoops. That's a real thing, by the way. To improvise, we're going to use a little bit of brown sugar.
My last little bit I got left.
Oh, this is all we have? I thought we had a bag in there.
Nope. I poured most of the bag in it and then...
We'll do 2 full scoops of this and then we'll taste it afterwards to see. But I think that should be more than enough. So we're going to strain it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and grab what we have here. And I know you want this.
You put it down.
Yeah, I'm going to put it down.
You want to see? Can you come on this side? She wants to see. Oh, you want your snacky snack?
Gotta get a bill of tax real quick. Yeah.
Mmm.
Good.
Now she sits down.
Okay.
And goes back to watching TV.
Alright, perfect. So we're gonna use this strainer. Should only have to strain it once. Alright, can you see that? Or do I need to turn here?
Yep, good. Hey, little baby.
Okay. Now, I do have more left over, but I water this down. Before I water it down, I'm going to stir it in because that honey needs to spread it through the concoction first. So I'll bring this back up here. Yeah, I'm gonna add the lemon after I blend this in.
Mm-hmm.
So what you're looking for is to see no chunks at the bottom. There were chunks, I should have showed you before. I don't think I see any more chunks. That's from the raw honey, right? Just want to make sure it's blended in real good. Or mixed in, sorry.
Mixing.
Like that. Alright, now I'm going to add these lemons. Stir that in. Alright, and now the rest of this I'm going to add with water.
Set the max line.
She said, yeah, she knew.
There you go, girl.
Thank you, dog.
Yay.
Just splash hot water on me. Alright, now we're just going to stir this real good. And that is how you make our new antioxidant tea. So, like I said, this needs to be to taste. So, if your preference is to be a little bit sweeter, or if you don't mind a little slight bitterness to it, less or more sweetener. Basically honey, raw cane sugar. If you don't have anything but bleached white sugar, use that too. It's fine. We're gonna make us a glass.
Woo-hoo. I'm gonna take this one out.
Alright. Alright.
Export.
Just because I know it's still hot, I'm gonna cheat and use a frother just to mix it and make it a little colder for me.
Bougie.
And go ahead and put this in the fridge. Better smells, can't you tell?
All the ice is gone.
Cheers.
Cheers. Look at Bella. You want some?
Oh yeah, you want some of that?
Ooh.
Yeah, you can taste it.
Mmm. Yeah. He said, yeah, that's good, Daddy. Bella approved immediately. Yay.
All right.
All right, you guys.
So let us know what y'all, recipe is, or if you have a famous recipe that you like to do for your family. But this is what we have today.
Thank y'all for
Cheers. Say
watching.
bye, Bella.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.